How to put your hotel on Booking.com. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. To list your hotel on Booking.com and reach a global audience of travelers, follow these steps. Firstly, open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for Booking.com. Now, make sure you are signed in and then tap on the Create a Listing option on top and further tap on the Hotel option. You will then be required to enter your property details, so enter your hotel's name and address, specify the number and types of rooms available, also mention amenities, facilities, and services offered to guests, set the house rules including policies on smoking, pets, and parties. Further, upload high-quality photos, add clear and attractive photos showcasing your property. Also include images of different rooms, exterior views, and notable amenities. Now, choose how guests will pay to you. Payments can be made through Booking.com or through direct payments. Establish your pricing structure including rates and additional fees and further configure availability and rates. Use the calendar to set room availability and pricing for different dates. Ensure your calendar is up to date to prevent double bookings. Now, verify your property's location. Booking.com may require location verification for security and accuracy. Depending on your location, this could involve receiving a letter, phone call, or uploading a video of your property. Review all provided information for accuracy and once satisfied, change your property's status to open or bookable to start receiving reservations again. So, this is how you can put your hotel on Booking.com. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful contents like this. See you on the next one.